welcome back to Lake Lot Build. I'm so happy that you clicked on this video because look how much progress we have done so far. Today we'll be talking about how the house design changed and how my parents actually created the house design from having the house roof from being pitched to now it being flat.
So we've had a lot of comments about how did we come up with this design? How did we figure this out on the slope? And so let's go over all of the details about how we got to where we are now. I have brought out a model that I made from originally, some drawings that we've originally had, and we'll go through all the different steps to how we got to where we are here. So originally, the design of our house looked like that. And so this section here was going to be bedroom. And then over here, in this area right here, was going to be a detached garage that we were going to build at a later time. Now, what made that first change from this design was that we had a septic field over there that took up a lot of the septic, and so what was going to be bedroom here is now became the garage. And so our next design is going to look like that. And now you can see that the garage is where that bedroom was going to be right there. And then we had the front door and the window. Now what came next is when we started doing all of the excavation and the backfill, we were way over on how much dirt that we were going to have to bring in. So we decided to just take this section for where the garage and the, so if I can do it with my fingers here, for the garage and the walkway we were going to use for backfill. We had all those rocks, and so this is where we decided to keep this side right here the natural grade. Okay, so then what came next was we didn't use near as much backfill because we were over from under the house, and so we utilized the rock that we found and so we made this retaining wall and then left this section here exposed of the natural grade of our lot right here. And so our next step was this roof line. So here is the original roof line that we wanted. But then we poured our garage floor. And we loved that garage floor on the suspended, that we could have a garage floor that spanned 26 feet. And so then became the thought process, well, if we can do that for the garage, how about we do it for the roof? So then our next one is this design. And that is ultimately the design that we have come up with. So you can see what we did was we just took the same dimensions, actually added another foot because the inside, I think this was going to be 9 foot in the garage, so we went to 10 foot and we just took that straight across. So nothing changed on the footprint of the house, and all we did was literally shave the top of the roof off, and now we made it flat.
So we actually designed and drew out the plans ourselves for this house. My husband, John, his dad was an architect, and so growing up, he had lots of experience with building models and working with plans. So John just started drawing out our house. We had several different versions of the outside, but also of the inside. As you can see here in our first version, we had the master bedroom upstairs and then the open living, kitchen, dining all here together. Now, that worked great because we do want this to be our forever home, and we thought, aging in place, this will be wide open. We have actually no doors into the bathroom. This is a closet system that separates the master bedroom from the bathroom. So nice, big, open areas, easy to get around in. However, like John said before, it ended up that we needed all of the area that we were going to create a garage in the future. We actually needed all of that area for the septic tank. So that required that we skip this version and move along to create a new version. And so this is what we ended up with. This is our 20 by 26 square foot garage. You walk in the front door, and then this is the kitchen. We have 16 feet of cabinets here. We have a 10-foot island. We have a 3-foot total wide, 3 feet wide island. But then this 1 foot is an overhang, and that's where we will actually have our dining for this space. So we can fit between 5 and 6 chairs at this 10-foot island. So we feel confident that that is going to be a big enough area for us. And then this area here will be the living room. We'll have a fireplace and our TV on this wall. Our fireplace will actually be electric, so we won't have any worries about having to vent or do anything with that. And then this will be the door in from the garage. Out here is our 12-foot by 32-foot concrete deck. This is our 16-foot window here, if you're wondering what that space is. So out here on the deck, we will have a spiral staircase right here that will go up to the rooftop. And the rest of the space will be filled with chairs and just an area to walk out and enjoy the weather and enjoy the view. Now, down below is where we had to end up putting all of the bedrooms because we had to lose the bedroom upstairs and take it downstairs. Now, what we did with these stairs, because again, we do want to age in place here, this is a 4-foot wide staircase, and so that is just large enough to put a chair that could ride along the wall and take us to the downstairs area should we need that one day. Hopefully we won't, hopefully we'll be lively way into our 80s and 90s and won't need something like that. But we did create this nice wide staircase just in case we needed to do something like that. So you come down the stairs, it dumps you into this kind of open area here. We didn't want any hallways in the house, and so this open area gives access to all of the rooms downstairs. On the left is the guest bathroom. We'll have a double vanity, the toilet, and then the shower actually snugs up underneath the stairs so that we'll have a little bit larger area here for maybe some storage and plenty of room for hooks and whatnot. Then coming into this area, this will be our son's bedroom, eventually, probably guest bedroom, something like that. So this is 12.5 by 14. And then we have a built-in closet here that will just be a regular sliding door kind of closet area there. And then this area is the office. So this is a 14.5 by 10-foot office. This will have the back door out onto the back patio. And then coming in here, we really loved the way that the master bedroom was designed when we had it upstairs. So we went ahead and kept the wide open space. We come into the bedroom here. Master bed will be here. This PAX stands for PAX system. This is our closet system. These are 10 feet long, 2 feet wide each. They will be placed back to back. So closet doors on this side, closet doors on this side. So you'll actually walk around the closet system to enter the bathroom. We'll have a double vanity here, large 2-person shower here. The shower, I believe, is a 6x4. Toilet area here. Then we'll have a full wall here, and on the other side we'll have our washer and dryer. And really, this looks like a huge folding table, but plenty of room for storage, for shelving, whatever we need in this area. And then in here is our shop utility storage area. So we'll have the hot water heater for the whole house, and then also the hot water heater for our radiant floor heating. We will have our ERV and any of the other appliances or things that need to go in this shop area. These are 2 big double doors that open to the outside so we can store our lawnmower. Anything else that we might need to get access to from the outside can be stored in this area as well. One of the special things about this build is that John and his dad is a retired architect now, they got to spend time together planning and building and designing the house together. So they worked a lot in the house that Rodney had built to design the house that John wanted to build. Now, some of you know, John was in the construction industry for many, many years. We've remodeled several homes, but this is the first house that we've been able to build from the ground up. And so it's been a wonderful journey so far, and we're looking forward to carrying on.
Well, that's it for Lake Lot Build for this episode. Thank you guys all for joining us. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see all of our future episodes on our house here on Table Rock Lake. Thanks for watching.